Thank you, brothers and sisters, for being here tonight. Isn't it a beautiful day? Yeah. We want to welcome to Kingston, Jamaica, sister who has a great voice. She's a beautiful songwriter, and she's a positive spirit for the society. Please welcome Sister Tracy Chapman.
This morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds beside my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. Saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep, songs, a melody pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. I said, don't worry. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning,